Hello crafties, and welcome to Crafty Lifestyle. My name is Daniela Castro, and today I would like to show you some of my purchases that I have made. And I want to show you this Scrabby Sparkle, and I actually got this because I want to make some tags, and I found this gorgeous Scrabby Sparkle. I just love it. I think it's so delicate, so shiny. It's really special. Let me get it up close to the camera so you can take a better look. And I mean, this thing has enough material for me to make a bunch of tags and decorations. So this is the first one. I've been watching some of wonderful crafters here on YouTube that are making rosettes, using crepe paper, and so I picked up these two colors for only 99 cents each one. And so right now I'm just showing you what I purchased, but I will show you also what I make, and have some tutorials ready for you guys as well. So let me move on to the next. Okay, I purchased some foam sheets. They're only 89 cents, and this is like a huge sheet. And the reason why I got this is because I need to use them as backing for some Christmas decor that I have in mind to make. And so that's gonna be wonderful. I also picked up this awesome glitter. It's kind of like iridescent, but it sparkles in different shades, different colors. And so one thing that I've been doing, the reason why I got this glitter is because I'm working every year. I love to decorate my Christmas tree differently. And so let me tell you the story. My husband kind of like tells me why I insist on recycle my old decorations. I have so many ornaments, Christmas ornaments, and every year I made a goal to decorate my Christmas tree differently. And so I paint my old ornaments, and I showered them on glitter. Let me show you what they look like. I really don't see the point, because I mean, I go to the store, but I never find what I exactly like. And so for me, it's better to make it myself. It's better, and also, it's fun. It helps me relax to work on things that I like. I also did pick up this glitter. It has like bigger flakes. Really cute. And I also did purchase some what is it called? Velcro. Is it Velcro? To make, I'm planning on making some ginger cookies. And so this is what I got. Moving on to what I got from eBay. I did receive these embellishments. They're resin embellishments. They're really cute, really sparkly. This is what it looks like. Really good size as well. They came in at the perfect time to embellish some of my projects. with the snowflake. I will try to add the links in the description of this video. So if you need anything that I am showing, please look under the video in the description. I think these are the same. Some flowers. I love this sparkly embellishments. Oh, this. I'm in love with this ones. I'm gonna make some Little Mermaid decorations, and so I think with the scallop pattern, this ones look so cute, so perfect. And all of these embellishments are coming from eBay, all the way from China. And I paid not more than $2, I think, for each one of the different ones. Oh my god, look at this tiny bows. They are the most adorable bows I have ever seen. Really cute. I got some more different colors. I think they look better in person, but at least you can get an idea and know what to look for. Okay, moving on. I also went to Dollar Tree and I got this tiny like snowballs. This is because I want to make some shaker ornaments for my Christmas tree using this snow. And then I also received a bunch of dice. This turtle. And this one. flies. And some leaves. We could put some cookies or something like that. Then I also got this it only cuts into the paper, so it's only gonna make hearts, and then you can put it back in. So I got these eggs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. God bless you.